Ever wonder why you yawn? It's not just because you're tired or bored. Scientists now believe yawning is your body's way of cooling your brain. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath of air, and that cool air helps lower your brain's temperature, like a radiator. Your brain works better when it's cooler, so yawning might actually boost focus and mental performance. Even animals like dogs and birds yawn to regulate brain heat. So next time someone says, "Don't yawn, you're being rude," you can say, "I'm just making my brain work better."